the Italian city of Verona, two noble families, the Montagues and the Capulets, have been bitter enemies for many years. Their hatred runs so deep that fights often break out between their servants and family members in the streets. One day, Prince Escalus, the ruler of Verona, grows tired of the violence and declares that anyone who disturbs the peace will be punished with death. Meanwhile, Romeo Montague, a young and romantic boy, is heartbroken over Rosalind, a woman who does not love him back. His cousin Benvolio advises him to forget Rosalind and look for someone new. To help Romeo move on, Benvolio and their friend Mercutio convince him to sneak into a Capulet masquerade ball. Since everyone is wearing masks, they hope that Romeo will meet someone new without being recognized. At the ball, Romeo sees Juliet Capulet, a beautiful and lively young girl. The moment their eyes meet, they fall deeply in love. They share a dance and exchange sweet words. However, they soon discover that they are from rival families, Juliet as a Capulet, and Romeo as a Montague. Their love is forbidden. Later that night, Romeo sneaks into the Capulets' orchard and finds Juliet standing on her balcony. She does not see him at first and speaks to herself about her love for Romeo, wishing that he were not a Montague. Hearing this, Romeo steps forward and declares his love for her. They promise to love each other despite their family's hatred. They decide to marry in secret the next day, believing that their love will bring peace between their families. Romeo goes to Friar Lawrence, a kind and wise priest, and asks him to marry them in secret. Friar Lawrence hopes that their union will end the feud, so he agrees. That afternoon, Juliet sneaks away to Friar Lawrence's cell, where she and Romeo are quietly married. After the wedding, Romeo encounters Tybalt, Juliet's hot-tempered cousin, who is still angry that Romeo crashed the Capulet ball. Tybalt challenges Romeo to a duel, but Romeo refuses to fight because he is now secretly married to Juliet and considers Tybalt family. However, Mercutio steps in to fight Tybalt instead. In the battle, Mercutio is fatally wounded. Before dying, he curses both families, saying, "A plague on both your houses." Grief-stricken and enraged, Romeo avenges Mercutio's death by killing Tybalt. Since Romeo killed Tybalt in revenge, the prince shows mercy and does not sentence him to death. However, he banishes Romeo from Verona. Romeo and Juliet's happiness turns into heartbreak. Before Romeo leaves Verona, he spends one final night with Juliet. They are deeply sad, knowing they may never see each other again. Juliet's father, Lord Capulet, unaware of her secret marriage, decides to force her to marry Paris, a nobleman. Juliet is horrified but cannot reveal the truth. Desperate to avoid this marriage, she seeks help from Friar Lawrence. He gives her a sleeping potion that will make her appear dead for 42 hours. He plans to send a message to Romeo so that he can come and take her away when she wakes up. Juliet drinks the potion, and everyone believes she is dead. Her family places her in the Capulet tomb. However, Romeo never receives the message explaining the plan. Instead, he hears that Juliet is dead. Heartbroken, he buys poison and rushes to her tomb. There, he encounters Paris, who has come to mourn Juliet. They fight, and Romeo kills Paris. Inside the tomb, Romeo sees Juliet's lifeless body. Believing she is truly dead, he drinks the poison and dies beside her. Moments later, Juliet wakes up and finds Romeo dead. Seeing no reason to live without him, she takes his dagger and stabs herself, dying by his side. Friar Lawrence arrives too late and is devastated. When the Montagues and Capulets learn of their children's tragic deaths, they are overcome with grief. Realizing that their hatred caused this tragedy, they finally end their feud. In the end, Romeo and Juliet's love, though short-lived, brings peace to their families, but at a terrible cost. Themes or life lessons 1. The power of love. Romeo and Juliet's love is so strong that it defies their families and society. 2. The destruction of hatred. The feud between the Montagues and Capulets leads to unnecessary tragedy. 3. Fate or destiny. The lovers seem cursed by fate, as everything works against them. 4. Impulsiveness or youth. Romeo and Juliet act on passion and emotions, leading to their downfall. 5. Family or honor. The expectations of family and society shape the characters' choices, often leading to tragedy. Conclusion: Romeo and Juliet is one of the greatest love stories of all time, showing how love can be beautiful yet tragic. Their story is a warning about hatred and impulsiveness, but it also teaches us about the power of love to bring change, even in death.